The Indian government has admitted that the highest number of arrests under the Draconian Unlawful Activities Prevention Act (UAPA) are being carried out in illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Presenting figures in the Lok Sabha, the lower house of the Indian Parliament, Minister of State of Home Affairs stated that 227 people were arrested under UAPA in 2019, 346 in 2020, 645 in 2021 and 1,238 in 2022 and 1,206 in 2023. This acknowledgement, it exposes the systematic suppression of dissent in the IIOJK. These numbers presented by the minister illustrate not only the scale of enforcement but also the stark discrepancies in its application, underscoring the misuse of so-called anti-terror laws to target civilians. Observers further note that UAPA, along with the Public Safety Act, has been deployed indiscriminately against political activists, students, journalists, and also ordinary residents attempting to exercise their right of free expression. Any effort to highlight the ground realities of occupation or to document human rights violation is met with arrest and prolonged detention under these draconian statutes. The systematic criminalization of the dissent under UAPA has effectively eradicated freedom of speech in the region, creating a climate of fear and silencing voices that might expose the extent of state oppression. The alarming trend, it further demonstrates that India's legal framework in Jammu and Kashmir functions less as a tool for justice and more as an instrument of cohesion. The international community, they must take note of these statistics, recognizing that the UAPA is being weaponized to suppress political activism and deny basic civil liberties in a militarily occupied territory.